Hi, Anthony here. This is one in a series of videos on how to build a website using WordPress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress plugin. In the previous video, I showed you how to customize a WordPress theme. So there are a couple of ways to install WordPress plugins. I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard here. Hover your mouse over the plugin section and choose Add New. So here we are on the plugins page. You can search for different types of plugins using these preset filters or use the search box. I'll look for Elementor, which is a page builder plugin, and this is the one. I'll click on Install Now and then click Activate. As you can see, it's now installed and we can access it here. I'll be creating separate tutorials to show you how to use Elementor. The plugin that we just installed was a free version of Elementor. Another way to install a plugin is to upload it. So I've also purchased the Pro version and I'm logged into my Elementor account. So we need to first download the plugin. It's a zipped folder. Now make sure not to unzip the folder and make a note of the location of the download. So here I am back in WordPress. Click on Plugins again and choose Add New. Next, click on Upload Plugin. Use the Browse button and navigate to the location of the zipped folder. Select it and click Open. And finally, click the Install Now button. Once it's installed, activate the plugin. You will then be prompted to activate your license. Click on the Activate License button and enter your license key here. And finally, click Activate. You can use these same methods to install other WordPress plugins as well. In my next video, I'll show you how to create pages and posts in WordPress. But hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.